topic that is advertisement is a necessary evil. Advertisement is necessary. Yes, it has pros and cons beside that. It is necessary because the consumer would know about the product through advertisement only, and so advertisement is very much necessary. But it is an evil for for you can say consumers and others, because through advertisement the cost of the product is getting I don't think so.
I started selecting finish. I think because through advertising the cost gets distributed over a large number of consumers, so actually the cost per person actually lowers. Because
I agree with that. The economy is too scale.
I think the cost.
Contradict here, this is not a parliament or a fish market. Please listen to someone, then speak individually.
See, it is simple, man.
Seriously.
I think he's absolutely right, because with advertisement the demand automatically increases, and when the demand increases, the cost obviously gets divided.
And not only that, even the as consumers we come to know what are the actual products, what are the actual things which are brought up in the market. So it not only highlights us, but
I
also
think what the topic wants to say is, in today's world of advertising, where marketing is a very necessary aspect of every company. So yeah. It is evil, as in it's most of the time. Yeah, it's sometimes misleading. It actually.
But there are organizations.
Since
listen to him, he's.
Look, it is necessary to attract people so that they buy the commodity. So all these companies have to pass some information which is to some extent actually wrong, which makes it very much unethical.
But there are organizations who check these that they do not
pass the advertisement actually does it actually suppresses the negative and like it highlights the
Picture of the product should be given, not just highlighting.
But an advertiser
in every
advertisement is indispensable, yeah, because it has its own pros and cons.
Everything has its pros and cons, and advertisements.
It cannot be eradicated or it cannot be removed.
Yeah, it's a very necessary thing.
Every system has its positives and negatives, but we need to check which has more positives or more negatives. If advertisement has more merit, then we always adopt to
obviously more merit. That's why it's still there.
Advertisement doesn't necessarily mean advertisement of products only. It means advertisement of government land.
Advertisement, we're talking about advertisement as well.
You're very right, because we got advertisement about the polio, awareness, and it really made a lot of difference to the common man, because today television is there in every village.
In my opinion,
That it's evil too. It's an every evil.
I don't think so anyone has problem is necessary or not. It is.
Outweighs disadvantages.
That's why it's still there. If the negative points were more, it would have been.
Imagining. To mention some of its advantages, like advertisements help us to know about the feasibility of a product, that we can choose it or not.
Imagining myself as a salesperson, I think I would like to some extent, I would like to cheat the consumer.
Imagining myself as a consumer, I wouldn't like to be cheated.
Yeah, but then how can that whether we all understand advertisement is necessary and it is evil, but there must be a guideline up to how evil can it actually get.
Yes.
We must see how much can it actually, how much false information can we get.
See, information being regulated. It is already regulated. Information is not false. It is glorified.
I'd like Anand to conclude.
See, advertising is necessary for a company as it makes the people aware about the company's products. First of all, it is necessary. Secondly, it is a necessary evil, as see, a product which has more number of advertising, like a product which does more advertising, like people tend to buy more of those products, right? And the products which do not have any kind of advertising, people don't buy those products because the companies are enforcing those products on people, right? So obviously, it is a necessary evil and good contact.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.